Hakuna Matata, what a wonderful phrase.
Hi boys and girls, it's Chef Rob. I hope we're having fun this summer. I hope you're getting to the beach. We're going to do a beach type of theme today. We're going to do crabs in the sand. Okay? So, let me start off by saying you're going to need some cupcakes. You're going to need candy eyes. You're going to need some of the red Twizzlers. A little red food dye. I know I have a lot of red food dye. And a little vanilla icing. And some graham cracker crumbs. Okay? So let's get started. Okay, so let's make a little sandy beach, and we're going to use that by our graham cracker crumbs. They sell these already pureed just like this, almost like a breadcrumb. Okay, and just go like that. If you can't find them, get the whole graham crackers and put them into your Cuisinart food processor and pulse it a few times to get nice and like a breadcrumb. Okay, so this is our beach right here. Let's take our buttercream icing and just a dot of the red food dye. Make sure mom and dad does this, because if you get this all over, it can be a real mess. So you just need about a drop. Okay, that's really it. You're going to take a plastic knife. That way when you are done, you can throw that knife away and you don't get red all over your counters or sinks. Again, make sure mom or dad is working with you on this. Okay, that looks really good. Make sure it's mixed in well. I'm going to take a cupcake. I'm going to ice all three of these. If you take the icing out about a half hour before you're about to start, it will be nice and smooth. Okay, just want just a little bit more. Let's go right over it just like that. Put that on here. Okay, this is a really easy project, fun. So if you have friends coming over or family, you can make these for a barbecue or picnic. Okay, two, and our third one. You can even do these with cookies. So if you have any large cookies, you can make crabs in the sand cookies. Perfect. Now I'm going to use my candy eyes. So I'm going to need 6 eyes. Just like that. And then we're going to take our, make sure they're flat down so that way they're looking straight out at you. Okay. And now we're going to take some red Twizzlers. And the red Twizzlers will be the crab's legs. Okay. You can get these Twizzlers like this that just pull right apart. And then cut each one just a piece like that and just put them all around the crab. Okay. Maybe 3, 4 on each side. And go around. And one over here. And let's finish these all off. And now just put the legs bending down, so almost like they are walking in the sand. Okay. Make sure you can slide them down just a little bit, just like that. And then you have crabs in the sand cupcakes. Okay, so I have another project for everybody. I'm going to show you another cupcake too, but before we do that, a little science project, a little quick one. We have red, white, and blue M&Ms right here. Okay, and I'm going to take some warm water. I'm just going to put it into the center right here. I don't want to put too much. I just want them to have enough water, and then the color from the M&Ms will start going to the center. Okay, just a dot more water. That's perfect. Now we'll come back to that in a minute, and we'll see the other colors that we can make with that. I'm going to make a watermelon cupcake now. Okay, something a little different. Again, take a cupcake just like this. We can use our pink to red icing that we have. Okay, we're just going to put this around on here. Then I'm going to drop little mini chocolate chips. These will be the seeds. Okay, you can just drop them right on. Try to drop them one at a time. A lot of the watermelons we get now don't have many seeds in there, which is good. Okay, maybe just one more over here. Okay, I'm going to put this right on this cutting board here. Now, just like how I made the icing, I put a little white icing and a little green food dye in here. So what I'm going to do is just cut this off, that little piece of plastic. You'll leave that to the side so nobody eats that. Before we go on to the cupcake, let's look at our red, white, and blue M&Ms. Look how pretty that is. Isn't that pretty cool? We'll come back to that in a minute, and I bet you all the colors are all to the middle. So squeeze just a little bit out. Go around the outside of the cupcake. Perfect. And we have a watermelon cupcake. So we have crabs in the sand. That is perfect for summer. And a watermelon cupcake. Let's check out the red, white, and blue M&Ms. It's almost to the middle. I have something else to show everybody, okay? It's almost like a magic trick, okay? Everybody, you know what this is, right? What vegetable is this? Yeah, it's a potato. Do you think I could turn this into a different type of vegetable? No, you didn't think so, right? Okay, I think I can. Ready? What I have here, and only do this with mom or dad, this is an apple core. You need this certain type 1. You put it in about half of the way. You put this in here. I'm going to lay this on my cutting board. Took a few times when I first learned this years ago, and now I'm taking my knife and I am going all around that metal bar. Okay? Anybody know what vegetable I'm making yet? Come on, take a guess out there. Alright, you're going to find out what vegetable this is going to be in 1 second. I'm going to push this little bar here, which is the apple core, push it up, and look at that. So what do I have? A mushroom, right? And for you moms and dads out there, if you use the red potatoes or even the golden potatoes, brush a little olive oil on here, a little kosher salt and black pepper, and these roast really good. So it looks like you have mushroom potatoes. It goes really good with steak or a nice roast beef. Okay? So, let's go right back to our little project here. Look at those colors. Red, white, and blue, almost to the center, basically right to the center right now. So boys and girls, I hope you had a good time in this class. I miss you all. I'll be back in the library really soon, hopefully, okay? Enjoy your summer and stay well. Bye-bye.
It means no worries for the rest of your day.